Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a tiled over letter in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. In this video, I will show add a tiled over letter. Now transform a letter. Now select from a letter. Now going to the font size option. Now click for case font size. This add title over letter. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a symbol option. Now click for a more symbol. Now find your symbol. Now find your accent symbol. Now for click. Now click for insert option. That is. Now click for Windows scroll. That is. Then you can say add a tiled over letter in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.